Hey, it's Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut here, back in West Hollywood. Thank you guys for tuning in. We got we have the Ripped at 50 book coming out.
Still rolling, still rolling.
We got the Breath of Life course going on, and of course we got the Man Tribe where Ra teaches every week. And so please come out and plug into any of this as much as you can. Certified Health Nut Instagram, Ra of Earth Instagram. Also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you guys get all these breathwork and tune-up videos and all the announcements that we're doing over here at Certified Health Nut Ripped at 50. So you've got another dynamic breathwork exercise for us today, Ra?
Yes. We're gonna do an Aryan wake-up call.
Woo!
Aryans.
Is this something that comes from the Yoga Sutras, or did you just pull it out of your ass?
No, it's an old technology, very, very old. And so every part of our body is connected to every other part of our body, right? So one side connects to one brain, the other side connects to the other side of the brain. So when we start moving our arms around in this Kriya, it's gonna be rebalancing both sides of the brain.
What's the definition of Kriya?
Kriya means to do in Sanskrit. So essentially, you're taking your human technology and pushing buttons on it. You're performing a Kriya to ultimately change something within yourself, which changes something in reality, changes things in reality.
Awesome, and that segues into what the Greeks talked about, gnosis, praxis, and telecus, to know, to do, to become an ever-evolving spiral into infinity of evolution.
So we're gonna balance both sides of ourselves. So,
right and left hemispheres of the brain,
exactly.
And right and left sides of the body.
So it's a little bit like Breath of Fire, where we pull that navel point in. First 3 days of the moon cycle or past the first trimester of pregnancy, we want to not do this.
Don't do that.
So the exhales on the Breath of Fire are going to be on the downward motion, and then the inhales are going to be in the upward motion. So the arms are going to be going. So it's faster here, kind of relaxing on the inhale up. And we're going to be changing it, but we're all going to be able to catch on to the instructions.
You can't do it wrong, guys. Remember, when it's working with me, you can't do it wrong. You know, don't get in your head. Just do what you can.
All about the human experience. All right, let's start going on this. We are literally clearing the windshield of the mind. Wax on, wax off. We'll go 2 more minutes before changing it up to something special. Switch the inhales through the mouth and emphasize the inhales. We're gonna wake the body up even more. Big inhales. Hold the inhale and slap the legs while holding the inhale. Stay present with the pain, holding that inhale. And go ahead and release. We're gonna do 3 more slapping drills. Next one's gonna be up the arms. After that is gonna be around the torso. We can use light fists around the torso. Wanna hit everywhere except for the heart. Third one's gonna be lightly on the face and then knocking or lightly slapping on the skull. Beautiful sounds of nature we got. It's mankind.
Welcome to the modern world, baby.
Mankind manipulating the environment. Okay, big, huge inhales. Let's go. Ten more. Hold the inhale. Arms. Nothing like a good slap to bring you into this present moment.
Shit, man. Vibrating high, baby.
Let's go again. Five. Hold the inhale. Don't forget your back, kidneys. Armpits. Head. You want to say something about the jade pillow?
Yeah, I like the jade pillow. I studied a little Taoist stuff, right? So it's when you hit it square, you can feel the nerves go down all the way down into your feet. So, but be gentle until you find your sweet spot.
Last one. Ten more. Hold.
Holy shit balls. That would definitely activate some shit, man.
That's my favorite one.
Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you want more of this, click the description link in the box. We got the Breathless Life course. Visit Ra at KriyaofTheWeek.com. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, holler at me on Instagram. If you like this video, please share it with other people. This will help you get out of anxiety, depression, and ultimately at suicide prevention. So, namaste, motherfuckers.